Hello. Welcome to Learning English. This video is about the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about facts and something that is true for a long time. For example, cows eat grass. I study English. We also use the simple present to talk about habits. And we often use it with adverbs of frequency such as always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely and never. For example, my aunt always visits me on the weekends. They never have much time to go out. The simple present is used to talk about state and existence that describe feeling, possession, and sensory perception. For example, they're playful. He owns a mansion. Do you have a car? The food does not taste good. Let's look at how the present simple sentences are formed. Positive. Subject plus verb or infinitives plus object. Negative. Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb or infinitive plus object. Question. Do or does plus subject plus verb or infinitive plus object. For example, do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Note the verb be, am, is, and can create their own questions and negatives. Finally, I hope the video is helpful for you. Thank you and good luck.